So what we're doing here is using a TMF 8701 LiDAR sensor to measure the height of the water in a rain gauge. Okay, now this being a cone, so it's called a Frouston volume. So we're having to do a Frouston calculation to determine the volume of a cone over here in order to display the height of the water or the rainfall correctly to match what's on the scale over here. So currently we're reading 60 millimeters of rainfall, and LCD is equating to that. We're also reading 60 millimeters over there. Okay, so as always the code is in a pinned comment. So if one were wanting to measure your rainfall automatically in your rain gauge using LiDAR, you could use this bit of code that I've got here. It works really nicely, and of course there's an interesting physics calculation going on in there with the code to convert this height into a conical volume result and display it over there. So there we got the height in millimeters of the water. We got our rain percentage in millimeters, and then there's a little bar graph at the bottom. So that's all I squared C, and I'm using an Arduino Uno, which is hidden behind the rain gauge because of the length of these wires. So this is awesome. I had fun with this one. One would, of course, to implement this, have to figure out some way to mount it up here. So there's some practical considerations with doing this if you want to do this in real life. But for a physics demonstration, this is very useful. So that's going to wrap it up. Our time is up, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. It's a nice little one. Thanks for being here. Take care. Have an awesome day further. I'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty. Bye.